You ever heard of a company that went from zero to hero in just a few years? And then, poof, disappeared into the belly of a tech giant. I'm talking about Spiff. Let's rewind a bit. Who is Spiff? Well, they were the hotshot startup that promised to revolutionize how sales commissions are calculated. Think complex sales cycles, multiple products, and a million different ways to earn a bonus. Spiff claimed to have cracked the code, turning this headache into a breeze. Now, the real question is, how much did Salesforce pay for this little startup to wave its magic wand over sales commissions? Before we dive into the numbers, let's talk about why this acquisition is such a big deal. Salesforce, the undisputed CRM king, is all about streamlining sales processes. Spiff's expertise in commission calculations is like a missing puzzle piece. Together, they can create a sales powerhouse. But the question remains, what's the price tag on this dream team? Now, the tech world is full of rumors and speculations. People were tossing around numbers like confetti at a New Year's party. Some said it was $1 billion deal, others whispered it was closer to $500 million. But then, something unexpected happened. Salesforce, usually as tight-lipped as a monk, spilled the beans. In a financial filing, as casual as ordering takeout, they revealed the exact figure. Drumroll, please. Salesforce acquired Spiff for a cool $419 million. Whoa, right? Let's break that down. This isn't just any startup. Spiff had proven its worth, boasting nearly 1,000 customers and a revenue growth rate that would make any investor drool. But still, $419 million is a hefty price tag. It shows just how much Salesforce values Spiff's technology and the potential it brings to the table. Think about it. Salesforce is betting big on the idea that accurate and timely commission calculations can supercharge sales performance. They're not just buying a software, they're investing in a future where sales teams are happier, more motivated, and more productive. So, there you have it. Spiff, the startup that promised to simplify sales commissions, got acquired by Salesforce for a whopping $419 million. It's a deal that sends a strong message about the growing importance of sales performance management and the potential for startups in this space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.